All right, I'm Wills. I'm back again here with the Coleman BT200X upgrades again. I'm waiting on my engine riser, my engine mount plate to come in so I can mount my torque converter on it. I got a new chain. It just came off of eBay. It's actually a little bit short. But yeah, I'm going to start the install of this here directly today. I was messing around making this little top cover plate. I was over at the Harbor Freight store and saw that mine, when I took the gas can or the gas tank off, it didn't have the same plate as the others underneath of it. So for whatever reason, so I made this plate and put this plate in there just to let the airflow come right across the block a little better. Now this side, I should have bent this tab down, but I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference. If I get into where I run it for hours, then I'll be more concerned. So, but yeah, that's what we're up to today. And the next step's going to be to get this, get the engine mount, or get the engine unmounted from the frame, and yeah, wait for the rest of my parts to show up. But I'll lay out the torque converter assembly here and show you what I'm doing with that here in a second. And yeah. All right, I'm back. I've got the parts for the torque converter all laid out. This is the Vevor brand. I think it was like 50 bucks on eBay. But what I wanted to do was come in today and measure the shaft diameter on this thing and make sure it's going to be kosher for what I'm trying to accomplish here. I ordered the 30 series torque converter because this is the 212 Ghost motor. So it says it's 0.75. It's 3/4 shaft, so I think we're in good shape. 0.76, yeah, we're okay. It's interference fit. So anyway, yeah, it looks like everything's going to fit. We'll need the engine riser to make it work, but overall, pretty good looking kit. The chain was separate, like I said, so this is just, the kit is just pretty much everything laid out right here. And the instructions, which aren't really much, so. But like I said, my next step is get the engine loose, raise it up, and start fitting this thing to the engine. Alright, I'm back. I'm still working on the BT200 here on the side case. I was pre-fitting the clutch here, and I got to run into town, take a break here, but there was a bolt in here I had to remove. I'm going to have to remove this here brace for the exhaust, get that out the way. And then it looks like this guy, my 1.5 or 1.75 riser I'm waiting on to come in. That's just a 2x in there. It should work out pretty good. I mean, everything looks like it's going to fit pretty good. All except for right there, where that bar hits right there. So I get that out of the way, it ought to fit pretty decent. I'll play with that a little bit here in a bit once I get back, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, it's Will. I'm back with the Predator 212 Ghost racing motor on the Coleman BT200X. And I just finished putting the torque converter on today. I didn't go through all the process because the instructions that come with it are pretty straightforward. The only thing I did different was I turned this washer around, put a washer here, put this on as a key, so it gave it a little more of the spline shaft engagement on the outside of the torque converter. But that's it. Took a washer out of here because this nut didn't have much engagement on the lock nut. I tried tightening it, it wouldn't go, so I took a washer out of there. Other than that, it's pretty much as I got it and installed it. I had to add 4 links to the chain. I had to go steal some out of another chain I had and add 4 links here to make the new chain, the brand new chain that I ordered for the Coleman BT200 to fit. So yeah, that's it. So now we're out, put the cover on it here and put the chain guard back on it and get it ready for a test drive. Yeah, and I almost forgot to note, I'm going to link these videos together before I post them, but I started cutting out for the chain clearance. These don't come clearanced for it. I fitted up there and figured my clearance, and then I realized it hangs over a 1/4 inch, so then I have to add a 1/4 inch more, so that'll be my next cut. I just use a cordless oscillating tool. So yeah, I'll get the chain on there and then we'll be ready to take it for a ride.